The Hyperloop project is a fifth mode of transportation that facilitates moving people between major cities in a very fast and efficient manner. My example of how it works is, when the tube goes from the car into the bank, that's essentially conceptually what it is. A pod travels through this tube in a controlled manner at very high speeds to facilitate this fifth mode of transportation.
Hyperloop has that opportunity to be that next generation of transportation that is far more efficient and able to move people and products from point A to point B far better than it's ever been done before. And with the Hyperloop project, we got the opportunity to work with some of the great colleges here in the United States.
Open Loop, I guess I should explain, is a conglomeration of 6 schools.
Working with some of the finest engineers and best talent that we've seen out there.
Rhinestahl sponsored the Open Loop team to facilitate a frame that they had trouble finding a source for.
We see them as young group of future leaders, and us as the old guys, you might call us. And we looked at them and said, okay, how can we work together?
They had great ideas for design work, but not everything was easily made.
They realized there was shortcomings in their designs, and they were looking for us to somewhat, quote, pick it apart and then make those adjustments so that we can make it into a very successful and producible product for them.
We as a company can identify with taking on a new challenge that we have never done before, we know nothing about, and accepting that challenge and rising to the occasion to help meet it and meet what they wanted. The word impossible is not in my vocabulary. There's nothing that we have not been able to build, not one thing.
Being involved in the Hyperloop project with the Open Loop team has been a natural fit for us. It is an exact extension of what we do with our customers every day. We listen to what they have to say, and at the end of the day, we very openly share with them the opportunities to make improvements.
We solve problems, whether it be for the university, for the Open Loop, or whether it be for a upstart company developing a product. To be involved in the next greatest potential transportation was very exciting for us.
Yeah, it's neat to think that you're working on something that could change the way that we do things as a nation.
It's a natural for us to continue honing that cutting edge by working with projects such as Hyperloop that have that opportunity of redefining market segments down the road.
Our customers like to see that we're involved in the latest and greatest technology that's out there.
What we value the most in a customer is a customer who is good at sharing ideas, but also is good at listening to the feedback that we have to offer. And that's when we believe we bring the most value and make our customers the most successful.